We're supposed to be having a blizzard right now. That's new. Jeez, what's next? I don't know how to read this thing. I thought it was going to tell me. My phone just told me. Um, I got the app that talks to you and tells you when there's. You're not going to do anything? Well, then. Well, I'm sure you can still hear it beating against my window. Anywho, yeah, so I got everything plugged in. This one charged. Oh, this one? Yeah, my friend was right. It doesn't do good charging in the sun. Maybe it's because I got the cheap one. I don't know. Backup battery, lamp, backup cell phone. Laptop is charged just in case the power goes out. Yes, I got water. And if I have to go get candles, I know exactly where they are in the top drawer. This was no help. Why did you even... Taxi, Queen Latifah. Um, where is it? It's always so shocking to hear the little man. We are experiencing a number 2 blizzard. I don't know what it's called. Oh, see, blizzard warning, National Weather Service. I don't need to go find out exactly what that is. I mean, we just get heavy winds as a blizzard. Okay, well, I've lived through a tornado, so I'm good. Yeah, so thank you to those who look at the news. I mean, look at the weather more than I do. I'm good. I'm prepared. I got 4 bottles of water in the refrigerator, filtered water. I got more water in the back bedroom, the freezer. Yeah. But 33, it's not bad. I mean, even now I don't have the heater on. I got the little heater on in my room, but that's it. So, let's see. It's really something when your life changes and now you wake up looking at the weather report. We're good. At least it ain't snowing. I'm just happy for that. Oh, can you see? Yay. I'm happy. Yes? Can I help you, sir? Huh? Well, you gotta play sometimes with Magic how he wants to play. You can't have your way all the time, son, okay? All right? Okay, so glad we had this talk. I love you. Okay, now go beat up your brother. No, I need my hand. I need my hand, son. I need my hand. He's such a whiny baby. Okay, you guys play nice. Oh well. I'm just happy it's not snowing. Though one other report said we're getting snow and rain, so it's gonna be slushy or something like that. I don't know. Don't matter. I ain't going out no time soon. Oh, I'm going out Wednesday to see my new doctor. Yay! I can't wait. I can't wait to be better. Get better. See my X-rays. See what's in my blood, and make her give me a mold test. How do you get mold out of your body? That's what I want to know. Okay, let me go Google that. Wow, that sure charged fast. It's a cute little camping light for those who might not know. My sister Paula got me that when we had the fucking tornado last year. Now tell me this though, why would anybody need, oh, it's not going to turn on. Why would anybody need all these different light? Wait, how could, here, I'll do it like this. Oh, you can't even tell it's on. Here, let me try. I don't want to put the light in your face. Okay. I don't get it. If you're camping, what do you need all those different lights for? Whatever. Just happy I got it. And pray that I don't have to use it. Because I told you, we ain't got no street lights around here. Okay, we do, but it's like 5 houses down. I can't see nothing with that thing. Anywho, I'm just happy it's not snowing, so that's fine. Life's gonna go on. I just made me 2 more lemon pies, so I'm happy. Now I'm gonna sit here and cut paper dolls. Make another journal is what I'm trying to say. Pink Monarch Prince. Easy peasy, throw together, you know. The only thing that takes a long time is cutting it all up. Okay, let me get started. And then tomorrow is going to be work day. I didn't get done what I wanted to get done, but I got done what I needed to get done. So I got some dishes done. The other dishes, I'm still making pies and stuff I left out to make my sweet potato tortillas. Yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. I'm already ready to settle down and just cut paper and listen to the rain. I love the rain. Rain is my friend. It washes shit away. Yeah. Ah. I feel good. You feel good? Okay, we'll fake it till you make it. Just say yes. I feel great. I feel great. And then this hears it, and then this hears it, and your spirit hears it, and then you're great. Yeah. Okay? Say it. Repeat after me. I am great. I am great. I am great. I am great. No buts. But cancels out everything you just said prior to that. Just, I'm great. I'm great. Okay, so it's almost midnight. What do I say at midnight? Shoot. What did Bashar say? I am who I am, and that is enough. I am 3 times. I am who I am, and that is enough. Now, while I'm doing that, I'm envisioning my house, my new clothes, because you know I lost some weight, 64 pounds I think, so I'm gonna buy a pair of jeans, and eventually, I don't know. Yes, son. Yes. May I help you? Yeah, he did. Well, did you get your balls out my face, son? Get your balls out my face. Turn around. Okay, what's the matter? What's the matter? Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, there. You're fine now, okay? You're fine. Go back to fighting with your brother. Smell your sister's nose. And go back to fighting with your brother, okay? Okay. So glad we had this talk. Okay, lick your balls and then go back to fighting with your brother. Babies. Gotta love them. Go on. You don't usually sit up too long because right now they're usually